Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. Today I'm going to take you through how do you prohibit the final users in Fabric from downloading or exporting data in Excel for another analysis. Anyone who has been developing Power BI, if you're a Power BI developer, you know how bad it is with data to find that you have a report, but people have to export data into Excel to do their own analysis. So how do you prohibit that? So first of all, how do users download data in Fabric? This is the online Power BI service, cloud. This is our desktop, but all the settings we shall do them from the desktop, but let me show you how it is done in one service. So when you have published a report like this and you have shared with the users, they'll come to a table like this in your report. Let me say, even if I filter this for B+, filtered for B+, someone will come to this table. There is an option here, the three dots. Then they will export this data in Excel format. It will be exported. And here is the data, which I already exported. Wait a minute. So I already exported the data. Here it is. If we can open and look at it in downloads, patient details. So you'll find that this is patient details. So you'll find that users will always export data like this. They go ahead to do their own analysis, and sometimes which is wrong, which conflicts with the report you have already delivered and shared with a business or with a client. So how do you prohibit that? Let's go back to Power BI desktop. Go to File, look out for Options and Settings, then go to Options, look out for an option for Report Settings. So leave it open. It is always at the bottom, Report Settings. The moment you get Report Settings, then you see this Export Data. Come and disable this here. Don't allow end users to export any data from the service or the report server. The moment you do OK, obviously you'll have to close your Power BI desktop and reopen it. So it means that whenever you open or you at a point of publishing that report, the moment you publish the report to one service like this, users will not have the option of exporting data. And there you'll have saved a lot. Otherwise, meet you in another video for Power BI tricks and settings like this. Bye bye.